Need to fix live option not showing up on TikTok? Then here's the simple steps on how you can easily fix this issue. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok, into your login credentials, and make sure you are logged in into your specific account. So at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the option of live. You need to click on it. Even if you see the option of live, there is no any option for you to go on live. You can see that option is not available. It might be because in order for you to have the live option for yourself, you should at least have 1000 followers or above. Right now you only have 30 followers, so the live option is not available. So make sure to have 1000 followers at least. If not, click on this three line and move into settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and move into Help Center. Inside Help Center, you have to click on Report a Problem. Simply click on Chat with Us. Once you're in this space, you have to say that live option is not showing up. Now click on Send icon. So it will also say that you haven't met some of the criteria on TikTok in order for you to have the live option on your own. So just make sure to make 1000 followers and then you'll be good to go. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.